Alternating crunch. Instructions. Starting position. In a supine position, place your hands behind your head, keeping your legs bent and feet flat on the ground. Muscle contraction. Lift and rotate your torso to one side and bring close the knee of the opposite leg. End of the exercise. Return to the starting position and repeat the movement for the other side. Muscles involved. Abdominal oblique, rectus abdominis. Breathing. Common mistakes. Change the angle of the leg on the way up. Place your back on the ground. P for P-cam, alternating crunch. Recommended repetitions. Beginner, intermediate, advanced.